Do you have 5,000 in your account? This video is for you. So many people think they need millions to start investing. Wrong. With only 5,000 naira, you can start building real wealth. That's if you know where to put your money. Most people waste 5,000 naira because they think it's small money on things they can't even remember tomorrow. But the smart ones, they turn it into something bigger. And today, this investment banker is showing you exactly where to invest your 5,000 naira. Whether you're a student or someone just starting on this investment journey with small money, someone on small income, I got ya. I'm going to be sharing my screen and we'll look at this investment together step by step. If you've been waiting for the right time to invest, this is it. You don't need big money, just smart moves. Let's dive in. But if you're meeting me for the first time, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market. But today, the lady showing you how to start building wealth with your 5,000 naira. If you're new to the community and you are interested in things like investing, passive income, side hustle, welcome home. Hit that subscription button to join the community. The first investment you could do with 5,000 naira is mutual funds. In this case, money market mutual fund. So now mutual fund is like a pool of funds, like different investors. I have 5K, you have 5K, someone has 50K. We bring this money together and fund managers, this expert, they take the money, they invest. Tomorrow, if there is profit, income on that investment, it's going to be shared among all of us that put our money together. So now mutual fund can invest in different things. They're the ones that invest in stock. We call them equity mutual fund. But the one we're talking about is the money market mutual fund. This one, number one, is low risk. Number two, right now the interest is really amazing. Since last year, the returns on mutual fund, money market mutual fund has been very sweet. I think you can get as high as 20% on money market mutual fund right now, right? I'm going to be sharing my screen shortly to show you how your 5,000 naira can invest in mutual fund and start making money for you. So if you have platforms like, personally, I use Optimus by Afrinvest, even Stanbic money market mutual fund is amazing. I'm going to leave the link both for Stanbic, both for Optimus on the description so that you can sign up with anyone you want to and get started. So let me even show you example using Optimus by Afrinvest. So if you log into your Optimus, right, let's start from scratch. Let's start from the basis. If you go to wallet, okay, right now I have 63,000, but we said we are investing with only 5,000. First of all, if I already have money, I already funded my wallet. If you are new, all you have to do is to click on fund. When you go to fund, Nigerian bank account, right, and then pick this account number, deposit money to it. That's how you fund your wallet. So let's go back. Let's come back to home. You can see mutual funds here. Open mutual funds, Naira mutual fund. Right, we want to do money market, and it's this one that is called APF, Afrinvest Bluetooth Fund. So click on APF. Okay, we want to buy only 5,000. Buy more because I already have it before now. I'm going to fund from my Naira wallet. How much? 5,000 naira. Review order. I'm getting 50 units. Estimated 50 units. So review order. Is this fine? I will do buy. Let's see. And there you have it. Request processing. You successfully submitted a request. We've invested in mutual fund with only 5,000. Sweet, simple, and short. Are you still thinking that your 5,000 can't do anything for you? Now you are an investor in mutual fund, and this is just number one. We are going to be looking at others shortly. Number two investments you can do with 5,000 naira is FGN savings bond. This one we are dealing with the government. It's something that happens every month. It's a savings opportunity by the government. At the moment, you could get as high as 17%, 18% from FGN savings bond. How much is your bank paying you? That 5,000 you are squandering, that 5,000 you left idle in your account, is it paying you anything? Now you have opportunities, be it on the platforms, on the apps with the government, that could make you good money. Today you put 5,000, it pays you 20%. Tomorrow that 5,000 becomes 7,000. You roll it over again, and one day you're able to invest 1 million. But you started small. People that used to say, I don't have enough money to invest, that's why I have not started. You don't have big money, my darling. If you can't manage the little you have, it's going to be hard for you to do that when you have plenty money. You ask for an agwaronge, right? Okay, so with FJ savings bond, you are lending money to the government. This one is long term, 2 years or 3 years, you decide. So when you put your money, that your small 5,000, any interest it makes for you, they're going to be paying it quarterly. Every quarter you will get paid, and then at the end of the tenure, you get back your money. So sign up for FJ savings bond. You just have to wait for when it opens once a month, first week of the month, Monday to Friday of the new month. We usually do it together in this community. When I notify you when it's open, if you want a reminder, let me know in the comments, right? So that you prep yourself for the next one. It is a way to start start building wealth. It is a way to start sending your money to work. And you start with 5,000, like I said, tomorrow you can expand, right? So with this one, you can only get your money on maturity. You can't terminate, like the mutual fund we did before. When you are tired or when you need your money back, you can just go to the app and sell. But with FGA service bond, you have to wait till after 2-3 years, because sometimes you might now find someone to sell it off to, right? So that's the thing with this one. And some people do it every single month. Imagine every month you're investing 5k, 5k, 5k. At the end of the year, that's a lot of money, right? So yeah, FGA service bond, if you want to key in, you can reach out to any investment house, or in this community, most of us use Afrinvest or 2.0. If you're signed into Afrinvest, if you use them, every month when it opens, they send an email notifying you. They also have this link that you could use, right? So that you can be on the lookout and even put your post notification on, because I also notify when it opens. It lasts for only 5 days. You want to be on the lookout for it. And please, before we continue, please do one favor, just one. It's free. You don't need 5,000 naira for it. Could you please hit the like button to like the video? It means so much to me. It tells you too that we are doing something nice here. Thank you so much. Let's continue. The third investment you can do with 5,000 naira, this one is the one anybody, everybody, you can do it right now as we are talking, is HISA, HISA, high interest savings account. Now you have 5,000 that you feel like it's too small, so you left it in your bank, and tomorrow something will happen and you spend it, you won't even know that it's gone. Alternatively, how about instead of leaving it in the bank, how about moving it to a different account, but in this case one that will pay you interest? It's a savings account but with high interest. That's how smart people do. You will never, if you come to my bank account, you won't even see any reasonable money, because most of my money is on one savings account or the other. It's making you interest. And when you want to use it, you can go and take it out, right? So a lot of platforms these days, you could lock your funds with them. There is the Piggyvest, there is the Optimus, there is Konga Pay, there is Cowrywise. So many of them you could use to save. And for some of them, you can get as high as 20%, 20-something% or more. So for example, in Optimus, let's also look at it together right away. So if I come to my Optimus now and I want to lock my money, I will just do OptiLock, click on it, OptiLock Naira. It will open. This is what you need to know. Up to 20% interest. Create a plan. What do we call our plan? Let's say fight against SAPA. SAPA control. Let's say SAPA control. Oh. Okay. Yeah, okay, so you click on continue. How much? My dear, is only 5,000 naira we have, right? So I will type 5,000. How do you want it? You want it for 1 year. So I will click on 1 year. And listen, for 1 year, you're getting 18%. There's a way you manipulate this and you will get more than 18%. Interest rate, 18%. Estimated interest to earn 900 naira. You may think 900 is small money, but it's free money. Money you earn without doing anything. Today, your money, your 5k, it is coming 5,900. Tomorrow, that's 5,900 becomes 6,000, 6,000 something, 10,000, and that's how gradually. And the more money you have, the more you are adding to it. At the end of the day, do you know how much you must have? Okay, so let's continue. If you look at it, are you fine with it? Select your funding. I'm going to fund from my Naira wallet. Then preview. Is it okay with me? If you preview, if it is fine, look at everything. You can't touch it until after 365 days. If that is fine with you, just click on create OptiLock plan, and that is it. You've locked away this money. Two things. Number one, is going to be making you interest. That is sending your money to work. And secondly, it saves you from the temptation of squandering the money. Many of us say we want to save in our bank account. Adulthood, they comes with many billings. So today you have needs to do with these things. Urgent 2k, urgent 5k, all those small money you throw around. Imagine that when you have it, you move it to a platform, to a savings account like this. Do you know how much you must have accumulated by now? That thing you think is small money. Think about it. You don't have to wait for when you have plenty. Now we've locked these funds. At this point, with your 5k, you'll be investor, you don't be investor. You are an investor with just 5,000 naira. And then the fourth on my list is investing in stock. Do you know with only 5,000 naira, you can become a shareholder in Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, all of these companies and more. Through the, you now say, Jennifer, which one is 5,000? I will invest in these foreign shares. Yeah, so that's what we call fractional shares. Yes, for some of these companies, you need like hundreds of dollars to do it. And we have just 5,000 naira. How do you turn this 5,000 naira into an investing tool in any of these companies? I'm going to show you. No plenty talking. So with investing in this stock, you're not doing it for free. You're investing in them. What do you expect? Two things. Number one, some of them pay pay dividend, right? I think Apple and Facebook paid recently. You be in Nigeria and these global companies are paying you dividend, okay? So many of them pay dividend, that's one. And secondly, value appreciation. Value appreciation. There are some stocks I bought like maybe $50. Right now, they're as high as $200. But remember, stock investing is long term. It's not something you put your money today and tomorrow I want to take it back. If that your 5K is something you know you can't leave, please don't invest in stock. But if you tell yourself that every week, every month, I can be putting 5K into this stock, let me build my portfolio, stock market is perfect for you, right? There are risks involved. The prices go up and down, right? And the market is somehow low, somehow down. It's even a good opportunity for you. So if you want to invest in stock, what do you need? There are different platforms you could use. Optimus, Bamboo, Trove, Wealth Simpler, what they call it for those abroad, Trading 212, and so many of them. Download any one you want. I'm also going to go back to my app now and show you how it's done with only 5,000. Yes, you need dollar, but you don't have to like have actual dollar. You can fund your naira, swap it to dollar and invest. I'm going to show you right away. Let's go into it and see. If I come to my app now, I already have some money here, right? But I want to swap it from naira to dollar because we want to invest in foreign stock. I will click on swap. This is the current exchange rate. If I'm fine with it, I will do accept and continue. How much? It's 5K we have. Oh. Okay, 5K is going to get us $3 plus, right? If it's fine with you, review order and swap. First, we swap our 5,000 naira. Let's now go and buy. If you come to home, you see US stock. Click on US stock. What stock should we buy? What stock should we buy? Okay, let's buy Apple. Let's buy Apple. Okay, can you see Apple? That's makers of iPhone. So let's look at Apple. Right now, Apple is selling at $217. And we have only $3. Okay, let's go, no problem. Just take your time, read about the companies, read details of the companies and all that. If you are fine with it, I already have it. I'll just click on buy more. How much do we want? Custom, because it's only $3 we have. Oh. So I come to next. I will type 3. You see, for $3 estimated, you're getting 0.01 units. It's something, my darling. Tomorrow, put another $3. It will now become 0.02. Next tomorrow, put 10,000. Just like that, you'll be building it. And one day, you have a full unit of Apple shares. So let me click on next. So this is what I'm going, this is the details I'm going to, the charges, the total. If that's fine, click on confirm and check it now. Apple market order queued. We are now investors in Apple. All of those big guys, Tim Cook and them and Apple, they are my business partners. They are, in fact, not business, but they are accountable to me. Because tomorrow, now as an investor, if they want to do annual general meeting, yes, they would invite you with your whooping 5,000 naira investments. You'll be invited, you get to vote because you are now a part owner in that company. Tomorrow, if they declare dividend, actually Apple pay dividend 4 times in a year. If they declare without your 0.01, if your own dividend is 0.003, they will pay it to you. With 5,000 naira, you are now an investor. But before now, this is when you just squander aimlessly. And look at Apple. I think my first Apple was around, when I bought it, like $120, or I shouted it was just $100 and something. And today it's 200 and something. Not including all the dividend payment they've been paying me all this while. Ah, God. If you have not started investing, what are you waiting for? You are at the right community. Here, all these investments I have mentioned, mutual funds, savings bonds, stock, I have detailed videos that will sit you down, explain them in detail, step by step, how you can invest in them. I will leave all of them in the description. Why not key in, go and watch them. I'll meet you there.